Cryptocurrencies are not just changing how we handle money, they're transforming the global economy. From decentralizing finance to boosting global trade and innovation, crypto is reshaping the world we live in. In the next 5 minutes, we'll explore the ways cryptocurrencies are changing the game. Let's dive in. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are revolutionizing traditional financial systems. For decades, banks and governments have controlled money flow, determining who can access financial services. Cryptocurrencies challenge this system by offering a decentralized, borderless alternative. Decentralization means that crypto transactions don't rely on banks or middlemen. Instead, they are verified by a global network of computers using blockchain technology. This gives individuals direct control over their assets, increasing financial independence. In developing countries, where many people lack access to banking, crypto is becoming a game changer. With just a smartphone and internet connection, individuals can save, invest, and transfer money without relying on unstable local currencies or costly banking systems. Crypto is opening doors to global markets, creating opportunities for economic growth and inclusion. Cryptocurrencies are streamlining global trade by making cross-border transactions faster, cheaper, and more accessible. Traditional banking systems often involve high fees, long processing times, and currency exchange complications. Crypto solves these issues. For instance, sending Bitcoin or stablecoins across borders takes minutes and costs a fraction of traditional wire transfer fees. This efficiency is helping small businesses and entrepreneurs enter global markets, connecting buyers and sellers across different countries. As more businesses adopt crypto for international payments, we're seeing a shift in how goods and services are traded. Crypto's ability to bypass currency exchange fees and banking delays is fostering a more interconnected global economy, where transactions happen seamlessly and instantly. The crypto revolution isn't just about money, it's sparking innovation across industries. Blockchain technology, the backbone of cryptocurrencies, is being used to create new financial systems like DeFi, decentralized finance, which offers services like lending, borrowing, and trading without traditional banks. Additionally, the rise of NFTs, non-fungible tokens, has transformed the art, gaming, and entertainment industries, enabling creators to monetize their work directly. Blockchain is also improving supply chain management, ensuring transparency and efficiency in global trade. Startups and tech companies are thriving in this environment, attracting investments and creating jobs. From fintech to real estate and healthcare, the crypto ecosystem is fueling a new wave of entrepreneurship and technological progress, driving global economic growth. Despite its benefits, cryptocurrency comes with challenges, chief among them is volatility. Crypto prices can change dramatically within hours, creating uncertainty for investors and businesses. For example, Bitcoin's value has swung between massive highs and sharp declines in recent years. This volatility affects global markets, influencing everything from stock prices to commodity trading. Large-scale investors and financial institutions are increasingly incorporating crypto into their portfolios, further linking it to traditional financial systems. Policymakers and regulators are closely watching crypto's market impacts. While some see it as a destabilizing force, others view it as an opportunity to innovate and modernize global finance. The challenge lies in balancing regulation with the need to foster innovation. The future of cryptocurrencies in the global economy looks promising. As blockchain technology continues to evolve, its applications are expanding beyond finance. Industries like healthcare, real estate, and renewable energy are beginning to adopt blockchain for transparency, efficiency, and security. Central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, are also emerging as governments explore creating their own blockchain-based currencies. This could lead to a hybrid financial system where traditional and decentralized models coexist. As adoption grows, cryptocurrencies may reshape how we work, invest, and interact with money. The potential for blockchain to power entire economies means we're likely entering a new era of digital connectivity and financial inclusion. Cryptocurrencies are more than a technological trend, they're reshaping the global economy. From decentralizing financial systems to boosting global trade, innovation, and connectivity, crypto is unlocking new opportunities while presenting unique challenges. Whether you're a skeptic or a believer, there's no denying the profound impact crypto is having on our world. As adoption grows, we'll continue to see transformations in how we live, work, and trade globally. For more insights into how cryptocurrencies are shaping our future, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Like this video if you found it informative, and leave a comment. How do you think cryptocurrencies will influence the global economy in the next decade? Let's discuss. See you in the next one.